filled with metal sails on a nice sunny day in Michigan. We're on an overhang here, installing some Image 2 26 gauge burnished slate. Have the extended E flashing down. Carpenters have cut out the siding. Installed the first quadrant of panels. Getting ready to measure for the second quadrant. Have some interesting details that we're going to deal with over here. Can't really see them yet, but once we drop the valleys in, I'll show you how we're going to get this cleaned up. I want to show you the situation we ran into with the trusses. Because of this bump out here, like an octagon shape, we had an issue that we had a slope here. It's an extra slope. Rather than this all running together to the wall, there was another slope created, flattened out in the back, which was an issue. And then we had a cricket slash saddle over here. So created an interesting install from above. We'll take a look at it. Well, the panels have been run from the hip into the wall now. Show you the situation we have here. Because the carpenter did not keep this section all in plane all the way to the wall, we actually had to come up with a little bit of a fix here, which is not very not the common way to install this roof. What should have happened, this piece of panel right here should have gone 12 inches past the end of the wall. Valley section comes in, and then next panel all the way to the wall, all the way up the valley, and that would have completed this area without a problem. However, we have an extra pitch. We have an extra pitch here. We have an extra pitch up there where there is where the tape is setting. So we've got a whole situation going on here, and the best fix for this is to leave this panel completely intact, run an offset cleat all the way up. You can see I have fasteners every 4 to 6 inches, making certain that that butyl tape is compressed, tying everything together, and then going to run these panels. I'm going to change the angle of these panels so that I'm not continuing to run down a slope so that the water bucks into the panel rib. We'll turn the panel rib or panels coming out this way, and then parallel to the wall in the cricket section. This should be interesting. It's the end of day one. Completed the panels. Higher slope, I think 412 down to 212. You can tell because the panel ends do not line up. So tomorrow there will be trim, sidewall, end wall, ridge, hip, sidewall, end wall, or pitch break, since we're talking standing seam. Will be complete.